my dear sweet angel. You turn 30 today. Lot of people want to wish you. So, me and Arya will keep our wishes to the end.
స్వాతి నానమ్మ మాట్లాడతారమ్మా. నీకు పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు.
హ్యాపీ 30th birthday, Swati Siddharth. Our blessings always with you. May God bless you all success and enjoyment in life.
Happy birthday, Swati Siddharth. Happy enjoyment. Dirka Sumanali Baba.
స్వాతి హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. స్వాతి పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు.
స్వాతి హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అమ్మా.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే స్వాతి.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు స్వాతి. దేవుడు నాకు ఇచ్చిన వరాలు మీ ముగ్గురు స్వాతి.
Dear Swati, I feel extremely happy to share my feelings through this video on the occasion of your 30th birthday. Let me first of all wish you a happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. It is 4 years since you have joined our family as our second daughter-in-law. We cherished every moment of your presence. You have brought welcome change in Siddharth. The little Arya you gave us has been giving us loads of happiness and cheer in our lives. We are fully satisfied and happy to see yourself and Siddharth living a life of made for each other. I bless yourself, Siddharth and Arya a blissful and peaceful life ahead. Enjoy your birthday. Thank you. Bye.
Happy 30th birthday, Swati. I'm very happy to wish you on this special day. So 4 years ago, you got married to Siddharth. Then you were so beautiful. But now, after 4 years, you've become bold and beautiful. That's because you just came out of your comfort zone and tested yourself, challenged yourself with Mrs. Chennai and with VS Cube. You are coming out in flying colors. All the very best to you. Sky should be the limit. So God bless you with a lot of health, wealth and happiness. See you.
Happy birthday, Swati. On this special day, we wish you all the very best for what the future holds for you. I can never forget when we met you first at your place for the Ponnu Pakra function. Siddharth was just brimming from ear to ear and had fallen head over heels for you. Ever since then, we all enjoyed seeing his infatuation turn into love and joy 100 times over with all the life events you've already had. Not only him, happiness for all of us has kept growing. Thank you for that.
Happy 30th birthday, Swati. Thank you for bringing so much joy into Siddharth's life. Again, have a wonderful 30th birthday.
Enjoy the day.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swati. Happy birthday to you. Clap. Happy birthday, Swati. We miss you. We love you so much, Swati. You are such a blessing for me. Clap, Jay. Happy birthday.
మనం బబుల్ వచ్చేద్దాం. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swati Penny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Swati Penny. This is a finger puppet. It's a little ducky, and this will be so much fun on your finger. This is a birthday gift for you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Penny. I love you so much. Here is your birthday gift.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే స్వాతి, నువ్వంటే మాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. వీ లవ్ యూ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ అవర్ హార్ట్స్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ సో అమేజింగ్ టు సీ నువ్వు ఎంత రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ మదర్గా ఉన్నావు, సచ్ అ కేరింగ్ వైఫ్ అండ్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్. ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ ఫర్ యూ అండ్ విషింగ్ యూ వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే స్వాతి పిన్ని, నేను చాలా మిస్ చేస్తున్నా. ఐ లవ్ యూ. మన ఇక్కడికి ఆడుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడికి రా, మనం బబుల్ బాత్ ఆడుకున్నాం. బాయ్.
I love you, Swati, my sweet daughter.
హలో స్వాతి, విష్ యూ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఇనియ పిறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். హ్యావ్ ఎ ఫెంటాస్టిక్ బర్త్డే. సెలబ్రేట్ ద హ్యాపీనెస్ ఆన్.
Hello Swati, happy 30th birthday. Wishing you all success and happiness. And talking about 30th birthday, I should say it's a very important milestone. ఎందుకంటే 20th birthday is one important milestone and then next is 30th birthday. In between these two, you achieved so much of success stories. So I wish you in future, between every milestone, you achieve great stories. Wishing you all success for the coming years. And then, as your name says, Swati, which means clarity and brightness. So I wish you a bright future ahead.
హ్యాపీ స్పెషల్ బర్త్డే స్వాతి. మా సిద్ధు చాలా లక్కీ నీలాంటి ఒక అండర్స్టాండింగ్, లవ్వింగ్, కేరింగ్ అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వైఫ్ వచ్చినందుకు. మీ లవ్వింగ్ కపుల్ని చూస్తే మాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు మీతోటి కుట్టి ఆర్య కూడా జాయిన్ అయినాడు. నిన్ను చూస్తే ఎప్పుడు మా సింధుని చూస్తున్నట్టు ఉంటుంది. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు మీ ఫ్యామిలీ ఈవెంట్ విఎస్ క్యూబ్లో కూడా యాక్టివ్గా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తూ మమ్మల్ని అందరినీ సూపర్గా ఎంటర్టైన్ చేస్తున్నావు. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ స్వాతి. హ్యావ్ ఏ great future.
Happy birthday Swati. All the best. Wish all success to everything. Okay.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు స్వాతి. నువ్వు చాలా లవ్లీ గర్ల్, స్మైలీ. నువ్వు మా అందరితో కలిసిపోతావు. మాకు చాలా సంతోషం. నువ్వు సిద్ధు ఆర్య మీరు సంతోషంగా ఆనందంగా ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ మై బ్లెస్సింగ్స్.
Hi Swati, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful life ahead and a fantastic day for you. Cheers.
Hi Swati, happy birthday. Happy 30th birthday. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead.
And all the very best for your future endeavors. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Chipnana. Happy birthday. Hi Swati Baddama, happy birthday.
Wish you happy birthday Swati. May God bless you with health, wealth and happiness.
Happy birthday Swati.
Hi Swati, happy birthday. All the best for your future.
Have a happy life with Siddharth. May God bless you with happiness and prosperity in all your endeavors.
Hi Swati.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true and have a wonderful time with Sidhu, Arya and your entire family. And all the best for all your new ventures. Okay?
Happy birthday. Bye.
Bye.
హలో స్వాతి, ఎట్టుండావు? మా తిరువన్నామల మంచూరు ఫ్యామిలీకి దేవుడు ఇచ్చిన గిఫ్ట్ నువ్వు. ఈరోజు నీకుండే సంతోషం ఒక్కొక్క రోజు నీ జీవితం అంతా ఉండాలా, ఎక్కువ అవ్వాలా, పెరగాలా అని తిరుపతి బాలాజీని కోరుకుంటాను. జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే, హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. ఎంజాయ్.
హలో స్వాతి, మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే.
Hi Swati. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a great 30th birthday. Have a great next decade and wish you the best. Best wishes from Avyut as you can hear and also from Krishu and Shruti. Bye.
Hello Swati, happy birthday. Wishing you many more happy returns of the day. Enjoy.
Hi Swati, happy birthday. Enjoy, have a wonderful day. Bye.
Hi Swati, happy birthday. Wishing you all success, prosperity, happiness, good health in the years to come. Stay blessed, enjoy the day with your family. All the best.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే స్వాతి, ఈరోజు నీకు స్పెషల్ బర్త్డే. బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చెయ్యి. నువ్వు అనుకున్న గోల్స్ అన్నీ నువ్వు అచీవ్ చేయగలగాల. సిద్ధు సపోర్ట్, మీ అత్తమ్మ మామగారు అందరూ నీకు వచ్చి సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తారు నువ్వు అన్నిటికీ అనుకున్నవి అచీవ్ చేయడానికి. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే, ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ డే.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అత్త.
Happy birthday, Swati.
Happy birthday, Swati. May you always be smiling happily and healthily, and wishing you a lot of prosperity in your life. Have a great day. Happy birthday, Chapiyash.
Hello Swati, wish you a happy birthday. We are lucky to have you as our daughter-in-law. You have transformed so much in Sidhu's life and you are transforming in our entire family, our lives also. Wish you happy and wonderful day ahead and prosperous year also, following years also.
Hello Swati, happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. Have a healthy, safe and wealthy, happy birthday and a year ahead.
Hi Swati, many more happy returns of the day. May all your dreams come true. Enjoy your life. Be happy. Bye.
Many more happy returns of the day, Swati.
Many more happy returns of the day, Challai.
Many more happy returns of the day, Swati Pinni.
Hi Swati, happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Bye, take care.
Many more happy returns of the day, Swati.
Many happy returns of the day, Swati.
Happy birthday, Swati Atta.
Happy
birthday, Swati. Happy birthday, Swati. Happy birthday, Swati Chinnamma. Happy birthday, Swati.
Hey Swati, wish you a very happy 30th birthday. Hope you have an amazing one.
Hi Swati, many happy returns of the day. Wish you all success in all your future endeavors. Hi, bye.
Hey Swati, wish you many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Wish all your dreams come true. Come up with flying colors. VS Cube should rock. And next వచ్చి Mrs. Mom or Best Mom category కింద నువ్వు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయి. మా ఫుల్ సపోర్ట్ నీకే. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. లవ్ యూ.
Many more happy returns of the day, Swati. We are very lucky to have you in our ILPP ITD gang.
Happy birthday, Swati sis.
Happy birthday, Swati.
Happy birthday, Swati. Welcome to the Dirty 30.
Hi Swati Akka, many more happy returns of the day. You're one among those sweetest person I know, and we really enjoy watching Arya's videos. He's so cute. Bye.
Hi Swati, wishing you many more happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Swati.
May all your dreams come true, my dear. Wishing you a great day filled with happiness and a year filled with good health and happiness forever.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Ammakiya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Swati, we have been together for 4 years now, and every day has been so very wonderful. It has truly been like a fairy tale. You bring so much of joy to everyone. You are sweet, charming, compassionate, and so pure. Your entry into my life has made my life so very whole. I would honestly say you are perfect, a true gem of a human being. You are such an amazing character. I am going to use a cliche now, but it's absolutely true. You make me want to be a better man. You have never asked me to change even once. You have always accepted me for who I am. But with your patience and understanding, I have understood a lot about myself and understood that parts of myself need some tinkering. I have seen a lot of change in my life ever since you have entered it. In no way am I perfect, but I am now way more motivated, more friendly and social, and definitely approachable, and less of a spoilt brat. And all of this is all because of how your character has influenced me. And you have brought to life the most precious little being, our sweet little baby boy Arya. You are the best mother and the best wife ever. We are so very lucky to have you in our lives. Thank you so much, my dear angel. I love you loads. Wish you a very, 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 very happy 30th birthday. Love you, baby.